and welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new here. And if you're an oldie but goodie, hey sis, how you been? Today I will be reviewing this wig from Divatress.com. This wig is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. It's definitely giving me Black China vibes. I know a lot of you guys love my videos when I color hair, so I thought why not do a hair review of some pre-colored hair, but not only pre-colored, but synthetic and affordable. This wig is extremely affordable, as you guys see from the title. So if you're not already, make sure that you guys are following me on all of my social media platforms. Of course, Instagram, and of course, Snapchat. I'm on there on a daily basis, especially for those of you guys who love vlogs and things like that. Definitely want to check me out on Snapchat. I'm on there quite often. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to style this wig from start to finish. I'm going to come in closer for you guys so you guys can get a good look of the colors, the ombre. It is yellow at the very bottom, so this is the bottom of the hair. And it is absolutely gorgeous. One thing that I do want to point out in this wig is that no matter how many times I run my fingers through the hair, it doesn't get super frizzy or tangly or anything like that. So really love the wig and the way it's curled and styled, and I'm pretty sure you guys want to get your hands on it as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this hair tutorial. Okay, you guys, so here is the wig. This wig is by Motown Tress. It's part of the Let's Lace collection. This is a Swiss lace wig. The length of this wig is 26 inches. It says that it's ear-to-ear lace, so that means it's going to be lace from all the way over here, all the way over here. Also, it says there is no tape, no glue. Okay, and anything else it says here, it is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees, so that's always a plus. So I am going to just take this out of the packaging from the bottom. Here's what it looks like inside of the packaging, as you guys can see. I'm just going to pull that out, and this is called, oh, this is in the color Aurora. That's kind of hard to say. Aurora. Anyway, so here is the stock card. The stock card, I hate that I do this to myself. I never am prepared. Where are my scissors? I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I got my freeze spray because I forgot about that, and then I also have my scissors. So I'm just gonna cut the tag off of the wig so I can show you guys the stock card. Okay. So here is the stock card, you guys can see. And that's the color of the wig. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Here's another picture of it. So this wig reminds me a lot of Black China and the look that she did. I want to say that was like at least a year ago. So here's the wig outside. Oh my God. I'm so excited about this wig, you guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay. So here's the net. Dang, the net is already coming off. Who was playing in my wig? Who was playing in my wig? So yeah, it comes in a lace, and then it has all of this kind of stuff. It has little clips. We just gonna take all of that off. Boom, throw that over there. So here is the wig. I already see something that I'm not feeling. Why would they do this? Okay, so here's the wig. So this wig can only pretty much be worn flipped over. You cannot do any parting in this wig because look, you guys see that? They only have this much lace. So pretty much what you can do with this wig is some baby hairs and flip over. But you can't really do anything other than that. So it does come with combs. There are 2 combs here at the top. And then there is another comb here at the bottom. Okay, with their logo there. That's really cute. They have it in gold, so that's cute. And then here's just the full inside construction of the wig. You guys can see that, but I am absolutely loving this color. You guys know I have been really rocking a lot of color lately, and I was thinking of doing this wig because I'm like, I want to do something for you guys that is affordable. Even though I show you guys how to dye wigs and all those types of things, I also want to make sure that I provide some wigs that are affordable options for people that 1, don't know how to color hair, 2, can't afford to color no hair, and 3, ain't got no time. So this is going to solve all those problems. Now what I will say is that these combs are kind of hard to cut out. So, but just be careful when you guys are cutting out combs because you never want to rip your lace or rip your wig. So just take your time with it. So before I adjust the straps or anything, I'm gonna go ahead and just put the wig on. The wig is so freaking soft, you guys, wow. So the wig is extremely soft. I'm not experiencing any shedding or anything like that. So basically the colors in this hair, what the hell is it? Oh. Take that out. So the colors that I'm seeing here, it looks like a purple, like a pinky kind of purple, into a blue, into a green, into a yellow, okay? So very colorful, and I'm just gonna pop her on real quick just so we can see what she's giving us. I haven't even adjusted the straps or anything. So I'm gonna pull that down over here. Let's pull the camera up some so y'all can see it a little better. Okay. So this is the hairline. And like I said, this is definitely a wig that you guys would have to just do like a flip over with. But let me back up some too so you guys can see this color. This wig is super bomb. Like, I'm not even gonna play games with y'all right now. This wig is bomb. So here's our hairline that I'm not really into like that. I'm not really feeling the hairline. But let me see what it looks like flipped over onto this side. So something like that. Because that's pretty much all I'm going to do with this wig. But what I will say is that the actual texture of the hair is extremely, extremely soft. Like, this is some nice, like, synthetic wig standards, it's top notch. I'm just going to say that. I just really, really wish that this wig had a part. Or somewhere that I can put a part. But it's okay. We are going to still be able to make it work. And then I'm going to put some of the hair back here. So I'm just trying to decide if I want to have a bang like this, or let me see if I want to flip it over on this side. Is this side a little better? I think I might put it over here better because this side you can see more of the pink. My window's open so you can hear everything in the background. Sorry about that. So yeah, I'm just going to pull this over, and I think this is probably going to be the best side to have the wig.
Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you.
So although I said that I wasn't gonna do this, I'm gonna do this just for extra security, because let me tell you something real quick about this wig. Here's another thing about this wig. It's a beautiful wig, but I don't know why they did this. So these straps here, the little parts that you want to hook this onto, it only goes so far. So you can't do any, I mean, you could do crisscrossing, but it's gonna make it even like too tight. So, but they sew down this whole section here. So you don't even have that option, if you wanted to put basically you can't adjust it further than this, is what I'm saying. You could crisscross it, but I mean, I don't know about doing that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just get my brush and spray. Y'all already know how I do. And then I'm gonna put this on here. Oh dang, I need to plug up my blow dryer.
Show that you cry on. If it's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me.
Only you. Only you.
Okay, you guys, so let's get into the details of this wig. So this is the Motown Tress Swiss lace front wig in the style L Angelic, and I do have the wig in the color Aurora. It is an ombre wig, obviously. So yeah, the wig retails for $35.95. This wig is currently on sale on Divatress.com for $35.95. However, this wig does normally retail for $69.95. So this wig is normally $70, right? Oh no, they don't. Okay. Houston, we have a problem. Okay, so on Divatress's website, this color is actually sold out, you guys. I'm really sorry about that. So they do have a couple of other colors. I don't really like those colors, but this wig also comes in the straight version as well. So if you guys still want to get this color, they do have a straight one that looks like this in the same kind of colorway of Aurora. Best friend's calling. Hello.
Hello.
What's poppin'? Recording a video.
Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Say hi to everyone.
They can hear me?
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey. All right, bye, nigga. I'll talk to you later. All right. So yeah, that was Ty calling. So anyway, you guys, yeah, so this wig does retail for $35.95 currently on Divatress's website. So since I kind of already figured that was gonna happen, I decided, well, why not do a giveaway sponsored by Divatress.com. Hello. So you guys, one lucky subscriber of mine is going to receive this wig. So one of my subscribers is going to be sent this wig from Divatress. Divatress will send the wig over to you. I'm really excited about it because I am obsessed with this wig. So I am just so grateful and so appreciative of Divatress sponsoring this video. I also want to thank all of my subscribers. You guys have been supporting me like crazy. I have seen a couple of you guys in person now. My name is getting out there a little bit. I'm just so blessed and so thankful, and this is just the beginning. So I wanted to, of course, give back as I always do. Anytime I hit like a huge milestone on my YouTube channel, I like to make sure that I give back to those who give to me. I mean, if you guys didn't watch my videos, obviously, who would I be? I would just be my regular self. I'm still my regular self, but you guys know what I mean. So let's go ahead and get into the giveaway rules. Okay, so here are the giveaway rules. There really is only just a few rules. The first rule, in order to enter into this giveaway, you do have to follow Divatress on their Instagram account. I will leave their social media down below in the description box. The next requirement is that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, that you have your post notifications turned on, okay? Post notification needs to be turned on. And you have to answer this final question. The question for this giveaway, and this is the end all be all. You can do all those other things, but if you don't know the answer to this question, you are not going to win. So the question to this giveaway is, what are my two oldest sisters' names? I have two older sisters. I did introduce them before. You guys just have to let me know what are their names, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you, Divatress, for sponsoring it. And I will see you guys in my next one. We reached 15K, baby, and it's only the beginning. And until next time, bye.